Hey, Grego's here. How you going? Whew, I'm good. What's going on? Whew, that's what's going on. And look at that finish. Sweet looking combi. Doors off again. Got to get these seals on. So bit of a change. Filming on the GoPro now, which is my birthday present, and so far having a bit of fun with it. Got a few things to work out with the settings and stuff, and yeah, it doesn't like fluoros, flickers a fair bit if you got the wrong settings on there, but I'm just trying this out, and how about that? Oh, it's pretty schmick. Ooh, gliding. Yeah, so just got to put these side cover plates on here. Yeah, in amongst other things, we're traveling well on MJ. It's pretty cool, pretty solid, that's for sure. So we're just doing the bare metal on the big panels now. Yeah, so we've got a bit of action happening here. It had to be cut out, and the standard sort of deal like that. So you can see all the crud builds up on there. That's the top of the battery tray on the other side. And yeah, it just gets crap in there and just starts rusting from behind. That's what most of these things do. They just, yeah, it's not that you're not washing your car or anything like that. It's not starting from the outside. It's just build up of crud on the inside. So, ooh, what do we have here? Oh, sorry, stabilization mode. Sorry. Okay, I just had to shorten the stick a bit, but looking at that, I would say that's going to need cutting out. Overall, not really bad. The metal's looking good on it, actually. Nice and smooth. So yeah, all the rest that you see, the orange, is getting blasted. So but the big panels, I've decided to just sand those in advance. Yeah, another patch there. Down here is looking good on this side. The door, no rust on that. And in here there was a dent there, and we had to look at that. Hopefully this wide field of view. Yeah, the dent here, I pulled that out, but there's a little hole here, so I'll investigate that a bit further. It might only need welding up. I don't think I'll need to put a whole patch in there. But yeah, we've eventually got to work on putting the whole front on. Front sitting in the back there. Oh, more panels. Yeah, so Andrew's had a big day too. Kiek is this close to having the rust sorted on it. Yeah, oh, Massive Attack, that's a good song, this one, but hopefully they don't fuzz it out too much. Oh, can you see in here? I do not know. Heaps of work being done. So yeah, it's just about finishing that floor section, but we need to get this sill part here. Look at that crud there. Ooh. This will be one solid dual cab when it's finished. So that's cool. Hopefully the owner wants us to keep going on it, and yeah, do the body work and paint as well. That'd be cool if we did it from start to finish, but we'll see how we go. Oh, so that's what's going on. Nothing too much more to report, except that stuff is happening. things are progressing. It's good. The more knackered you are at the end of the day, the better day that you've had. Well, sometimes, some days you feel like you're getting nowhere, but it's actually you've progressed a fair bit. So, yeah, so we got to... We've got to fit the rubber here and on the back, the engine lid rubber and the tailgate rubber underneath, and then do a bit of adjusting on the doors, and not much else. Give it a bit of a polish, I suppose. It's had its 2 stages of buffing. Yeah, it's looking mighty fine. It's pretty straight, like not $50,000 show car straight, but pretty bloody good. So yeah, so now we've just got to go on to getting these doors shutting nicely, which means we've got the rubber on that, and you can see that it sits out, so we need to do some modifying of the rubbers, adjusting. Whew. But Alfie is just about done. The rust repair on Kiek is just about done, so hopefully we can move on to the next stage with that. So I'll probably get Andrew to weld the front on Michael Jackson, MJ. Yeah, and do it like that. Weld the new front on and fix those few rust areas, I suppose. So yeah, so that's what's happening. Everyone stay safe, be well. Yeah, I'm going to knock off and have a nice cup of tea.